What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna do a real quick install on it's probably backwards, but the Luxe third brake light film. I'm just gonna install it really quick, show you how to pop the third brake light out, show you how to install it. Should be pretty easy, pretty simple. I've installed this probably a dozen times on various different vehicles, obviously the Chargers. So I'm just gonna do a third brake light for now. It's really the only one that sticks out like a sore thumb. You know, with the night edition, you know, everything's got black bezels on it, so the third brake light just sticks out like a sore thumb. So I'm hoping that with a little bit of a tint it will flow really nicely with the rest of the lights. I was going to do the LED, the OEM third brake light, but I'm just going to hold off on that for now. I threw some lace fit cargo bulbs in there and it's super bright, so like I said, I'm hoping with a little bit of tint it will flow really nicely with the rest of the stuff. So let's get that third brake light out and put it on the bench here. We'll lay the film on there and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so basically if you have one of these trucks, obviously you probably know that that third brake light just kind of sticks out between the blacked out tail lights and stuff. It just doesn't flow right. So there's a quick little before shot. Alright, so just a matter of moving four Phillips screws. Might be a little bit stuck on there because of the seal, but you got one plug right here. Just push on that tab and it unplugs, and then we'll go bring it inside. Alright, so in the box you got some directions. They give you a test piece of film to practice on. Ideally you want to do this when it's like between 60 and 75 degrees. This stuff does stretch really easily. It's forgiving, but it does stretch when it's hot. So like I said, I would do it when it's, you know, under 80 degrees, and it's super pliable. If you put it on and you don't really like the spot, you can always rip it off and it will re-stick with no problem. So but with this being such a flat piece, it should be really simple to do. So as you can tell there, it does have cutouts right there and all along where the screw holes are, which is cool. So I'm hoping once I peel this up, those cutouts stay, which they do. That will help line it up. Oh, that one didn't stay. Obviously you probably are going to want to pre-clean the light. I already did that. I just washed the truck, so I am in good shape there. And basically just line up the holes best you can, like so. And like I said, this stuff is really forgiving, so if it's not completely flat, you can always lift it up and push it down. But don't really try not to pull it, because if you pull it, it will stretch. Just give it a little bit of tension on the edge so that way you can walk the wrinkles out. Just kind of start working the edges. Start from the middle and push out. This is the Mid Smoke, so it's medium dark. They have a light smoke, a mid smoke, and a dark smoke. So far I'm liking the mid smoke. I didn't want it too dark because I still wanted some decent usable light. But like I said, with a little bit of tint on this thing, I think it's gonna clean it up a little bit, flow a little better with tail lights and not stick out so much. And that's pretty much the install right there, guys. Again, like I said, super easy. I've done this a dozen or more times, so it's nothing. It's nothing for me to do this, so it might look easy, but there it is. I will go ahead and throw it on the truck, and then we will see what it looks like on the truck. Yeah, guys, so there it is, installed on the truck. Definitely doesn't stick out as bad. Seems to be a little bit darker once I got it installed on the truck. So again, definitely flows much better. Super cheap. I think it was like, I don't know, 20 bucks or so. I'll throw the link down below. And if you're not familiar with Luxe, they do make tint kits for here, and the reverse. Like I said, I'm probably not going to do that because I think these taillights look pretty good the way they are. Just wanted to get a little bit more, or a little bit less pop out of that third brake light. I know it's daylight, but I'll click the cargo lights on and see. So they're obviously still visible. As far as how bright they are at night, I don't know, but I will find out. Again, guys, this is the Mid Smoke, so they do have 3 different levels. This is the medium to darkest. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Just a quick little tutorial on how to put that stuff on. So yeah, that will do it for this one. We will catch you guys on the next one.